Okay, now that we have our media in our tank and we've got it filled with water, we're going to go ahead and install our valve. So the first thing we're going to want to do, there are two O-rings on the valve, one on the inside that seats the D-tube and one here that seats onto the top of the tank. You want to make sure the lube we sent you, put a little dab on the O-rings, and what you want to make sure is you get a good little film of the lube on the O-ring. This will definitely help if you ever need to service the valve in the future. This will definitely help not pull the D-tube out of here and also not stick on here. You don't want to lube the threads or anything else. Okay, so the other thing we do with the carbon filters is we have a top screen. This will prevent carbon during the back flush coming up through the screen into the valve and clogging your valve up. So this little guy just fits in the end like this, turn it counterclockwise, and it locks into place. So now this guy looks like this. Okay, we'll go ahead and carefully install the valve. And again, you don't want to use a wrench or anything on these, you just want to hand tighten them. You just want to get it good and sealed. Okay, now we're going to install our bypass assembly. So you have an inlet and an outlet arrow here. You also have an inlet and an outlet arrow on your valve body itself. So right now this is in the bypass mode. That's what we want it in. Again, there's O-rings on here on the inlet and outlet. You'll go ahead and put just a little dab of lube on those. And then this guy just pops straight in, and then you just hand tighten the nuts. Again, no need to use a wrench. Okay, so now our 1-inch adapters work the same way. Again, they have O-rings here. You want to put a little lube on. And again, these guys just pop in. And don't worry that they're loose. They seal. They seal on the O-ring. Just hand tighten them. Okay, we're now going to go ahead and install our inlet and outlet flex lines. And we'll just go ahead and snug those up. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and hook the drain line up from the side of the valve here to the top of our drain. Okay, for the drain side of the drain line, we're going to take our air gap here. These work just a regular PVC primer and cement there. You glue that onto the top of your drain. And then you want to use, you don't want to hard line this drain line, you want to use flex line. So we'll go ahead and just use the flex line. We've got the optional flex line we sell. And we'll go ahead and feed that on there. And then basically you're just going to use a hose clamp.